So today I watched a video on how to make the perfect cup of tea, and okay. So instructions was, choose the perfect mug, cup, water, microwave. Hang on, what the? Don't be a mug. How to make the perfect cup of tea. Cupboard, choose the perfect mug. Selected. On the side. Kettle, not the microwave, the kettle. Fill it up with lots and lots of water. Done. As you can see, not overfilled. Once the kettle's coming to the boil, it will let you know by that little click and the steam starting to cool down. Now, choose your weapon of choice. Today, we're gonna go for tea. As you can see, we're not gonna be savage. Tea bag's going in first with no milk. Because we're civilized, the great cup of tea is made by hot water first to the desired level. Let's let that tea bag sit there for a little bit. Couple of seconds will be perfect. With a perfect spoon, give it a little stir. As you can see, no microwaves were rudely used in this making of this beautiful cup of tea. We're now going to put that tea bag straight into that little cup. And to add a little bit of sweetness to it, let's go with a bit of sugar. Not too much. Yeah. This is it. Half a spoon of sugar, give it a little stir. Now for the magic, drop of milk. Once the tea's made, make sure you get your weapon of choice, and in this case, a nice juicy bourbon, just to give that final touch to the lovely cup of tea. And as you can see, one lovely cup of tea. Let the painting begin.